was fun because like you got to see the sunrise, which I'm really excited about.
They say, oh my God, I see the way you shine. Take your hand, my dear, and place them both in mine. You know you stopped me dead while I was passing by. And now I beg to see you dance just one more time.
We are at our campsite. I'm gonna vlog. Will I ever upload this?
Should. My vote is yes.
Well, we have no service out here, so might as well. This is also a 24-hour like thing without our phones.
Without service. You're still actively using
Well, I'm acting using it. I can't go on anything. I'm taking pictures. That's it.
Okay. No, you're right. I just want a fight to happen. Oh shit, I feel like a PA.
Oh my goodness!
Camping's easy, guys.
Ooh, I see you every time. And oh my eyes,
Welcome to my crib.
I like your style.
9:45, and we just broke out the club. There's no laws when you're drinking the club. This tent is huge.
Never seen anybody do the things you do before. Say, move for me, move for me, move for me. And when you're done, I'll make you do it all again.
Like rock climbing.
I say,
Oh,
oh
stop.
my God, I see you walking by.
You want some veg?
Take my hands, my D, and
We are
look
on
me
our
in
way
my eyes.
to go hiking.
Just like I'm
Yay!
been dancing my whole life. But you just beg to see me dance just one more time. Ooh, I see you every time.
Where did I go for that?
I like your style.
All those chickens.
Now I'm beg to see you dance just one more time.
Like at the end.
So they say, dance for me, dance for me, dance for me. Oh,
Let's go, lesbians!
I never seen anybody.
What are you doing? You taking photos? Are you recording?
The chill pill reminds me of Mary.
I'm gonna let you have your pornography. Got fire going. We got our snack kind of laid out. Coco just ate her
Garbage chicken salad plate.
Dude, we're fucking living out here. We can survive. Guys, it's dinner time soon.
Don't fuck with me. I have the power of God and anime on my side. Ah!
You want to ask for the lighter fluid?
I think we should.
They're still cold. You still want them?
Yeah. Coco's got another dump bowl or garbage bowl.
Yeah. There's only one piece of.
Ashland's cold.
Come back. There's only one sausage left, so I put a lot of hot fries in. Finish the rest of my garbage. Or like Julia likes to say, dump bowl.
Stand up. I mean, you could have done a bit. It's fine. Yeah, that's good. Look at that. It already caught.
Okay, you guys said do a little splash, and I do a little splash.
Like
Get on the.
the second piece of what? Yeah, there you go.
Yeah, better,
All right, we're good.
better less first and then add to.
Yeah, you're good.
What kind of curse has ascended upon us? Fire no longer works.
Yeah, I know.
Yum. Yum. Extinguishing it.
Good cleanse.
Guys, how do people fucking like? I have some gum if you guys want to chew it. If we watch Satanic, I'd be like, hello? I don't want the corner anymore.
Oh my god.
I really want to be a.
I'm spooning one of you.
caption like, I'll have it on the rocks. You know, like alcohol.
Yes. I'm definitely doing that. I mean, I'm not an alcoholic.
Ashlyn on the rocks.
I'm not an alcoholic.
This is Ashlyn's confession.
Where did you guys go?
Going to the restroom.
Day 2. We are packing up to go. Hi, Tucker.
Say hi.
Say hi appropriately.
Oh, sorry, I'm vlogging, so Ashlyn's changing, so I'll avoid her. So we had our fire pit over here. This is where we keep our food so the bears don't get it. So if you walk down this way a little bit, there's a river.
My vegan coffee.
Get ready with me, camping edition. Hi, welcome back to my channel. Oh, there's Mr. Lumberjack.
Does anyone else have baby wipes?
There's Mr. Tuck. Oh, he's coming back out.
Ashlyn, how was your trip?
It was good.
Faster.
Hours without service in the wilderness. How do you guys feel?
Great. Super calm.
How do you feel, Julie?
I'm good. That was refreshing and I needed it.
It was very refreshing. I had fun, guys. Let's do it again. Oh!